Did you know that treasure hunting with metal detectors is considered the most rewarding hobby for your health and wallet? And that there are still many lost treasures just waiting to be discovered. Here are 6 of the most valuable treasures you can discover with metal detectors. The first one on this list is the most obvious one: gold. This natural mineral is responsible for the greatest accumulation of wealth in the first half of the 19th century. A gold nugget is usually 70 to 95% gold, almost always has traces of silver, and may also contain traces of copper and iron. Currently, 1 gram of gold is valued at $63.83, and the prices can range higher for collectible items made of gold. Do you have meteorites in your backyard? Here's a fun fact. Earth is under constant bombardment by space rocks. When they crash and burn through the atmosphere, most of the debris gets lost to the oceans, while some are buried or gradually weathered away. Nonetheless, plenty of chunks of fallen meteors or meteorites are strewn across the accessible parts of the planet. So far, more than 40,000 meteorites have been found and cataloged, and countless more are still out there waiting to be chanced upon. 1 gram of meteorite will get you $1,000 US, and the price is higher if the meteorite is made of gold. Number 3. Shipwrecks. Shipwrecks could be a great indicator of lost treasures in the sea. There's over $60 billion worth of treasure still waiting to be discovered. One of the most famous ships is called the Merchant Royale. In 1641, the Merchant Royale sank off the coast of Cornwall due to bad weather. Although the anchor was discovered in 2019, the main shipwreck has never been discovered. At the time the ship went down, it was estimated to be carrying 100,000 pounds of gold. In today's money, you could expect the cargo to be worth about $1.5 billion US. Did you know that metal detectors can also discover oil and gas? The best options for finding oil and gas are GPR and drone metal detectors. They can scan large areas and can reach deep into the ground. These devices can provide the best information about oil and gas areas and precisely map them in the environment. In real time, the user can determine the underground location of the caves or wells. Currently, a barrel of oil is worth $77 US. Number 5. Diamonds and gemstones. Metal detectors will not detect non-metal items such as gemstones, diamonds, and pearls. What a metal detector can do is lead you to indicator minerals. Among the most common indicator minerals for diamonds are chromium garnets, glassy green olivine, black picroilmenite, and magnetite. Garnet and magnetite are both good indicators for gold. So if you find gold, there may be a diamond rock nearby. Gems that are harder to find than others command a higher price per carat than the gemstones that are available relatively easier. For example, a gem which weighs 1 carat may cost $500. The same gem at 2 carats may cost up to $2,000 per carat, just because a 2-carat gem would be rarer than a 1-carat gem. The Pyramids of Giza, the tomb of Qin Shi Huang, and Petra are one of the most famous archaeological sites in the world. Archaeological sites can be full of buried objects. Surveying them before digging can be crucial in some cases. Analyzing the soil and mapping territory and what lays below is part of the process. Metal detectors are perfect for that, revealing information about a place, type of asset, community, or past human activity is incredibly valuable, and it's hard to put a monetary price on that. What treasures are you hunting for? Let us know in the comments down below.